Let's get started talking about job searching strategies. When you are starting your job search, you want to make sure that you treat it like a job. It's actually something that you have to plan and organize pretty well. So write down and track your job search goals. You want to be specific about what you want and how you're getting there. You also want to be clear about what you need to do. So think about it, brainstorm, be creative, write down stuff, and then use your common sense, use your best judgment, use your intuition to figure out what are the best things that you can do to reach your goals of your job. And they include researching and contacting employers. So there's some resources online for you to understand the company that you want to work for, the position that you're working for, what's available, and some contact information, which is really key to moving faster on your job search timeline. So find that contact information and reach out. And you want to make sure that your resumes are tailored and your cover letters are also specific, like your resume, to the employer and the role that you're applying for. And that will also help things speed up a little bit better and you'll find more success. So you want to treat your job search like a job. So you want to be organized and you want to seek to impress employers, and that this person, they are a good worker because they actually work when they're not officially employed looking for a job. So you want to develop your time management skills and you want to set aside some time. So your calendar is a really good asset to you to plan your week or your month or your months. Submit your job applications on time. So you want to make sure you're not too late and you want to make sure not too many other applicants are ahead of you, and to be one of the first 1 to 10 applicants for that job. And also you want to make sure there's good communication between the recruiters or the people that are responding to you. So if you get an email or if you get a call, make sure you pick up the phone if you know the number, or you return the call as soon as possible, or the email that you get, which is from the company or the recruiter, the people that are involved with the job that you're looking for. You can use technology to stay organized when you're planning and organizing your job search. Obviously, the internet has a ton of information, and if you know how to research and use it well, you can really help expedite your search process. And so you want to ensure that your leave a message greeting is appropriate on your phone. It's not some casual or it doesn't exist. You want to make sure you're using your voice so they can connect with you. And you want to make sure that your email is very professional, organized, and you have an appropriate email ID. It's not some weird number or strange name. It's just your name or some abbreviation of your name. And you want to make sure you track all your documents. You want to have all your resumes in one place, all the versions of your resume or the templates of your resume, and keep it organized. Because the more organized you are, the more organized you will appear when you actually get an interview or when you write your cover letter and your resume. And also, it doesn't hurt to have actually physical hard copies of your resume. And if you're actually with the person, you can physically hand it to them, which isn't as common these days. So actually will leave a positive impression. If you feel like you don't have enough experience, there are opportunities for you to build your experience with freelance sites like Upwork or Fiverr. In this case, you can build your portfolio of work that you've done, and you can also build your resume. You can strengthen your skills. So when you're including your skills section on your resume, you can actually put maybe advanced because you've gotten some work in with some freelance. And you can also find clients. It's an opportunity to make money too. And you can help contribute to landing your dream job. So coming up soon, we will show you how to create your account on famous job searching sites. So looking forward to helping you in that regard later. Take care. Bye.